Okay, Max, what is that? What does that lever do right there?
It controls the bucket.
The bucket? And what does that one do?
It moves.
Oh, it makes it move left to right?
Yeah.
Nice. Can you show us how to scoop a bucket?
Yeah.
Okay.
Careful. These are all things you can't touch. These. Because these things are only important things. This one's important. These are all for emergencies.
Emergencies?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is
Can you show them how to scoop a bucket of dirt?
Okay. This is how we go down. Curl, 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 curl. Now say too much. Curl again.
Good job.
Up. Up. Curl. There.
That's pretty good. Thank you.